Hello friends, how are you? Hope you all fine. So today our topic is how to earn money online in USA. So here are we have 12 best website to make money online. If, Before we start our topic, if you're not subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So let me start a video 12 best website to make money online. If you want to earn extra cash, turn to these money making websites. You don't always have to spend money to make money. If you want to launch a side gig to generate regular part time income, or if you are looking for some quick extra cash, there are websites that can help you do it. Consider these top rescues to make money online. Branchbob.com. Depending on whether you are looking to earn extra money quickly or build a long term income stream, each of the following websites offers unique advantages and sometimes disadvantages tailored of different needs and interests. Read on for more information on each site. Upwork. How it works. Upwork is essentially a meeting site where businesses and freelancers throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain project. Business hire freelancer for different services including writing, web designing, running SEO campaigns and pretty much any work that can be done on a computer. Highlights. Upwork take a commission from 5% to 20%. But the more money you make, the less the commission is. Drawback. Upwork has been successful that there is a lot of competition on the website, and that can be a real drawback for people who are new on the site, says such as Rosa, owner of a digital marketing agency in Toronto, called the Shirtless Web Guy. Before I started my business in web designing, I created profiles on websites such as Upwork. In the beginning, it was a struggle to attract any attention from buyers on these platforms because there's so much compensation and much of the was from overseas, which made it possible for me to compete with other on price. So DeRosa lowered his price, and for a while he was working for next to nothing. But the positive feedback made his profile look better, and DeRosa started charging more. Although platforms like Upwork can be helpful in building a portfolio and initial clients basis, I am glad to be and on my own, Rosa says. Fiverr. How it works. This is a popular website that can be helpful for freelancers. Know something about digital animation. You can work for someone who does not have these skills and quick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web research for someone for fast cash. Highlights. You can make good money from the site easier than a web designer and digital trades. In Albany, New York, who runs a two-person company called Cocaine Designs, he says that his firm makes $3,000 to $5,000 a month from Fiverr. To stay ahead of the compensation, I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig descriptions are well written and communicate the value of the service I offer. The someone reach out to make I make sure to reply as quickly as I can and follow up with two inquiry by asking good questions. A quick but carefully written reply will increase the odds of them hiring your drastically says. Drawbacks. Fiverr name come from the fact that many people use a work for $5 a task. You can ask for more and arguably should, but a lot of your prospective clients are probably expecting you a work for next to nothing. It is how it works. If you're artist and you are the type of person who can make custom jewelry or refrigerator manage is the place to sell your product. Highlights. It's easy to navigate the site and up a shop. Drawback. There's a lot of competition on the website. On the hand, the branding is big and a lot of people know about aesthetic. But once you put up your wares, as with Upwork and Fiverr, you're one gazillion people selling stuff on Etsy. It may feel a little overwhelming. Task Rabbit. How it works? Are you willing to get your hands dirty? Oh, no, no.